I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your iPad meets the theme pack requirements and that you have enough storage. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open the Files app and locate the downloaded zip or mobile config file. Tap and hold the archive to reveal Quick Look or an uncompress option, then extract the folder so you can access the individual assets and configuration. Make sure you know whether the pack includes wallpapers, icon sets, or a profile, because that determines the next steps. Now you import the assets. If the pack includes icons, use shortcuts or a theme app to create custom app shortcuts. Add a shortcut, open the app action, assign the custom image from files or photos, then add to home screen. For wallpapers, save images to photos and apply them via Settings Wallpaper, setting Home and Lock if provided. Make sure to keep original app icons in the app library to avoid losing functionality. This preserves the app while showing your themed shortcut. Finish by installing any configuration profile. Tap the Mobile Config file in Files, follow prompts to allow installation, then open Settings Profile to confirm. Once installed, lock and unlock your iPad or perform a quick reboot so icons and widgets refresh correctly. If widgets or icons fail to apply, revoke the profile and reinstall or re-import assets. Corrupt downloads often cause issues. Make sure the pack version matches your iOS and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.